Don't ask me what I'm doing here. This is my Proto 2000 Southern E6A unit. I love those flashing lights on the front. Doesn't have any sound with it. I couldn't decide what to pull with it, and I have these Rivarossi Passenger cars. They're Burlington Northern. It doesn't really go with Southern, but I haven't really run these in ever, so I just thought I'd make them go with it. I think they would look better with either a steam engine, or a silver locomotive, but maybe later we'll do that. These are 1930s passenger cars, I think. At least that's what the box said. They seem more modern than that, but it says the 1930s Burlington Northern baggage coach, diner and Vista Dome. And there is the Burlington Northern RPO, post office, roomette, duplex sleeper, and trail car. Trail car, I know that one, that's the last one. The Proto 2000 locomotive came from this box, E6A limited edition. All of them limited edition, I don't know. I changed the coupler. It comes with a knuckle coupler, and this thing comes around here. I left the knuckle coupler on the front, but since those passenger cars had horn hook couplers, I switched it out to a horn hook coupler. Even though those don't look as nice as the knuckle couplers, it just was easier to do that. So I just thought I'd mess around with these trains. That's kind of going slow. Let's go fast now. It'll probably derail. The thing's slow to stop. If I turn the power off, it'll coast to a stop. Watch this. I think it will anyway. Let's try it. I'm just going to turn the power switch off. After the power switch is off, and it just comes to a gradual stop. And then when you turn the power switch, nice. It doesn't instantly stop like a toy locomotive would. I love passenger trains. What do you like? This thing's powerful. I actually don't know if it's supposed to be pulling passenger or freight. I don't really care. I just like playing. That's what trains are for, to play with.